Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix profile view option not showing in TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So firstly, make sure that it's showing or not. If it's not showing here, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then you have to open Play Store or App Store and just simply search for TikTok and then make sure that you have an updated version. If it's showing your update, you have to update your TikTok and then you have to open it again. Now from here you have to tap on profile again. Just simply tap on three lines, go to setting and privacy and make sure that if it's showing here or not. And still if it's not showing, then what you need to do is just simply tap on three lines again, go to setting and privacy, and from here what you need to do is just simply take screenshot of your setting and privacy menu and then you have to scroll it down, tap on report a problem. Now from here what you need to do is just simply wait for a while. Now from here you have to scroll it down and just simply tap on submit a report. And here you have to put the screenshot which you have taken recently. Just simply tap on this and it will redirect to your gallery, and from there you can select your screenshot, and here you have to write this one. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. And after that just simply tap on submit and your request will be submitted, and TikTok team will contact with you as soon as possible and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.